Alright guys, what's up? Going back into Vancouver, British Columbia here. It was an awesome Alaska cruise. But the day has come, just like Leah said. First got on, we were all happy. We're going to be sad today because we're leaving. We're going to be leaving Canada and Alaska. It was fun. It was real. Really enjoyed it. But if you guys enjoyed the video, if you did, please subscribe. Please leave a comment down below on your Alaskan cruise adventure. See you next time. We'll see you later. Peace.